Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Pore, and today guys we're going to talk about how to minimize pores, like using makeup, how to blur your pores. Pores come out with oily skin. Like I have a very oily skin, and oily skin is prone to acne, pimples, acne scars. So let's do it guys. Like let me try to show you how I blur my pores. So let's start. The first thing you need to do guys, you need to have a toner. So for me, I use a Witch Hazel Pore Clear toner. It's so good. So the first thing after cleansing your face, tone it. Use a cotton pad, just tone it. I've already toned mine though. So after toning guys, go to the serum. For me, I'm using a Bio Balance Pore Downsizer. Okay, I've been using this serum for like it's not a week, and I'm seeing a change. This one helps, like, just to blur, but it helps from inside. It helps to, like it has been written, it is helps in excessive sebum, pimples, pore tightening, and blackheads. I've seen the changes. So I've already told you, I've already like cleansed my face, I've toned my face. I make sure your hands are clean when doing that. So next, it's serum. So guys, when you're using your serum, try to tap it in. Give it like some time, let it get in, let it absorb in the skin. So after using, like you've already toned, you've already used the serum, next you moisturize your face. Use the moisturizer you use. And just an advice guys, when you are moisturizing or anything you are applying on your face, don't just rub it. And also for the sensitive skin people, don't just rub it, try to press it in. Also, when you're moisturizing, guys, don't be in a rush. Like, make sure the product absorbs in the skin. And make sure, guys, never forget to moisturize your skin before anything. It's so important. So after moisturizing, guys, I'm going to use, it's called an NYX Professional Makeup Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. I'm going to the primer. It's a good primer. It blurs the pores. It's so good. It's kind of whitish, but it works magic. You can see guys, already just after using the primer, my pores look kind of blurry. They're kind of disappearing. Again, give it some time, let it absorb in. And guys, this routine I've been using it and I've seen it helps me. So if your face is prone to acne, and acne leads to obviously pores, large pores, so treat it, take care of your skin. So it has already absorbed. And for these guys, okay, it's not a must to use it, but I've been using a Clinique Pore Refining Solution. It also, like after the primer, I use it also as a kind of I'll say primer too. It's not a must to use it, but for me, I see it works magic. So this is the Clinique Pore, let me read it. Clinique Pore Refining Solution Instant Perfector. It's so good. So for the Clinique thing, you apply it where the pores are. You see, there's just instant, like the pores look so like they've disappeared, Again, just remember to not, just rub your face. Press it in, press the product in. Look guys, you can even walk with this kind of look. It looks like I've already done makeup. And for instance, I'm just using the primers now. Okay, you can use just one primer. For me, see, I've already used this primer. I use this Clinique one. Now I'm going to another one. Like, this is what I use personally. It's not a must to use, just you can have one. It's not a must to go for everything. So next I'm using this Maybelline New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Personally, it's like I'll call them, I don't know, I call them primers or what. I use them like primers, you know. So the first one I use is this one. I go to this. Now I come to this. I found this one like works like magic, you know. They say new baby skin, it works like magic. You see where I've already applied this one, you can see the difference. Look, from here and here. And again, guys, for this Maybelline New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, just use it where the pores are. Don't apply on the entire face. So guys, you can look with this kind of look, right? It looks like I've done makeup, to be honest. So for me, I'm going to do my foundation. And again, when you're using foundation, in case you have pores, you have acne scars, make sure you don't just use any kind of foundation. Make sure, get advice from wherever you're buying it from. You'll be advised the kind of foundation you can use for your pores. You know, there are those foundations that blurs your pores, so go for it. Okay, I'm done with foundation. Now I'm going to the powder. But before powder, guys, I like using, on the underline concealer. And for this case, I'm going, okay, this is not part of the, blurring the pores, but I'm just doing for the sake of, I'm doing my general makeup. Though I feel like this under eye concealer is the same shade like my skin. So next is the powder, guys. I'm using a Fit Me Maybelline. It's so good. It has been written matte plus PORES. Perfect when it comes to blurring powder. So good. Okay guys, there we go. A poreless free face. You can see the difference. Okay guys, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe please. And also if you found like it was useful to you, kindly leave a comment below. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. See you in my next video.